In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Skillshare free trial. To do this, go and open up Skillshare. It can be the app or website, and you just want to head over to your profile. So you can do that by clicking right there. Then from here, you want to go to account settings. Then from within your account settings, click membership and payments. And then here you can see membership. Your membership is built through PayPal. Now they say to view or manage your membership, visit your PayPal account. But what you can also just do is click cancel membership right there. And then from there, just click on continue with cancellation. And then they will show you what you will lose access to. Then you can click continue cancellation. And from there, just confirm it. And then you have successfully cancelled your free trial and you will no longer be billed. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.